Good morning. This is Jim on this rainy morning here in North Carolina. I'm doing this opening outside because I want to highlight one thing. You notice the mobile home now has completely been carried off. Thanks to our county officials for doing a job with the landowner. The other thing that I'm going to hit real quickly. I'm putting this extra in from my slop shop. I want you to look at the link that I'm posting below. There's two links that's going to be posted below this video when I put it together. One is to a video from Richard at Making Something for Nothing, explaining his property situation. Two is a GoFundMe link that Mature Patriot set up for Richard. I was emailed about this. I was perplexed till Richard made the video. It's a property line dispute, basically a surveying type deal. One was done 20 years ago, one was done recently, and there's some mistakes in surveys, and it's a complete mess. You just really need to see Richard's video. I don't want to take up a lot of time on my channel, or your time with a lot of dribble. Go to the videos and check it out. What I am going to encourage you, after seeing his video, if you feel like that you want to contribute to a YouTuber that's got some issues, it's going to be expensive, go to that GoFundMe page and donate. I have a couple, 3 other people that's got smaller channels that's done this, and I encourage all of you to at least look at the video and decide for yourself. Thank you, and have a great day. I've got my GoPro out. I'm actually going to go do something else. I wanted to show you how my grass is doing, where I've been doing some, this work where the tree was. And this is kind of where we're at here with it. I'm kind of just sweeping across the yard here. So I've got to mow. I don't have time to do it today. So I'm going to mow probably tomorrow. And what I'll do is this area where I'm standing, I'm going to not mow it. Try to get some roots under this grass system. We're getting progress on the house, by the way. The guy's over. I don't even see me filming, but You see there's a contractor in today and taking part of this thing down, pain in our butt for I don't know how long. So there it is. We're going, one of these days, the man in the mobile home will not be there, hopefully. So there you go. Thought I'd get a little video of them taking the house down behind us. We're getting kind of rid of some problems here. That's some good news there. He's made quick work. I think this is the second load. Making quick work of this. Interesting, isn't it? Good morning. It's a lovely morning when you see the damn abandoned house about gone. That's the progress the guy just drove up this morning to start the work. And if you've seen my videos in the past, you knew what the heck that looked like. We're getting there. A lot of snorting and raising HE double hockey stick to Gaston County, but hey, it's getting done. So we will see. I thought I'd shoot some video today. I'll let this. I've got a clip of this grass, and this is kind of where it's come to. I want to have to kind of hit it with the mower this next week when I remow. This is in October now. We won't be mowing grass. We'll probably mow grass actually all the way into probably 1st of November here, usually sometimes. So that's what I got there. One of the things I want to do is, I've been showing clips, and I'm out in the yard this afternoon. I haven't felt good today. And we've been showing, so there's going to be some clips. And this video is one of the things that's been bugging us for a long time. And we've got a minor cause for celebration. So I will turn the camera around and show you. The abandoned mobile home is finally being hauled off. So I guess that our governmental officials at least got the point across. Now we still have the buildings. This one yellow building still has some roof damage, but it doesn't look like that mess. And that is an improvement, and it sure does look so much better. So the view out the back is beginning to improve some, so that's something to be thankful for. So I guess we always got something to be thankful for. Okay, so I'll let you go. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. I will remind you that these videos are copyrighted production of James Dedman Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, and for your personal entertainment. I hope you enjoyed what we fed the pig today, and we'll see you in the next video.